Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can activate your HBO Max with AT&T. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you can simply call 1-833-815-1260, which is an helpline number which will allow you to activate your HBO Max with AT&T. However, if you're having some problem connecting with your provider, you can simply go to my AT&T account page, find the Activate Max tile, and select the Activate if prompted. Follow the prompts to set up your HBO Max, then simply download the HBO Max app. Then you need to select your AT&T as your provider, and you need to now simply sign in with your AT&T user ID and password. Once you're done, you will be able to activate your HBO Max with AT&T. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon.